Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw money from Pandabuy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to withdraw money from your Pandabuy, all you gotta do is simply open your Pandabuy account. So once you do this, you need to simply navigate to the money section. Now, as you're in the money section, select the withdraw option and follow the prompts to choose your preferred payment method. Now, simply once you have selected the user center option, you will be now redirected to an interface where you can find like two options that are like top up and withdrawal. So as you are concerned with withdrawal, you need to simply tap on the withdrawal option. Now, once you have tapped on the withdrawal option, you need to enter the withdrawal amount as well. After entering the withdrawal amount, you need to simply confirm the transaction and you will be able to withdraw money from Pandabuy. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.